So I just want to quickly show you how to add a watermark to one of your images when you're exporting from Lightroom. So in the develop module, picture's all done, and you want to put your watermark on there somewhere. So if we just go into export, giving it a custom name here, Kuna 101 watermark. Go down to edit watermarks. And the font for this one we'll just use Edwardian script, regular. I mean, you can have it, there it is there. Just bring it up so we can see it a bit better. You have that, and bold italic, regular. You can put a shadow on it if you want, I don't worry. Opacity, you can have it very faint, or you can have it bold. And you can move it around. I think bottom left always looks nice. So in this case, we'll just call this Joe Blogs Photography. And that's pretty much it. So that's where we're going to put it down there. And you can change, you can move it in a bit, move it up a bit, change the size. You don't want to overdo it. I think that looks quite good. And save. So we'll just call that Joe Blogs watermark and create. And if we go into your watermarks, you see Joe Blogs watermark, and so you can make all different types, top left, bottom right, white, black. You can have proof only, all different sorts of just your website, web address. Just have copyright, so anything you want. So we'll just have that one. Make sure the watermark is ticked, and then export. Just wait for that to export up here. Seems to be taking forever. There we go. So Blogs Photography. And it's easy as that. And thanks for watching, and I hope that was helpful.